In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this red velvet cake that is just so fluffy and soft and no words. Let's make it. Welcome to my channel. Sugar, flour, vegetable oil, margarine or butter, whichever you can afford, egg, red coloring, cocoa powder, buttermilk, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, salt, and vinegar. So that is everything we'll be using for this recipe. Let's get right into it. The first step is to cream the butter and sugar. This is margarine, so if you have butter, same thing, it's the same method. I'm just going to whisk this for about 4 to 5 minutes. So this is ready, creamed. Now it's not going to be light and fluffy, but this is just what we want to happen. So now I'm going to sift all the dry ingredients together, starting with the flour. My flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda. Sift that together. Make sure to get rid of any lumps. If you need to press it, that's fine because cocoa powder tends to get a lot of lumps. Into the creamed butter and sugar, I will add my eggs. Just one egg, so egg. Whisk that together. Remember to always scrape down the sides. That's enough. Pour the vegetable oil into that. So whisk that together as well on low speed. Alright, that's fully combined. I will now add the red coloring. There's really no strict measurement for this because people have different varieties of red coloring. You just want to make sure you gauge the color until you're happy with it. I'll now add the rest of the ingredients. Vanilla extract, vinegar, mix that together. I will now alternate the dry ingredients and the buttermilk. So I'm going to put some of the dry ingredients and some of the buttermilk until I'm done with the entire mixture. All right, so first goes in about half of this. Whisk that. Then half of the buttermilk. Mix that together as well. Now the rest of the dry ingredients. Scrape down the sides. The rest of the buttermilk. The mixing is all done. I'm going to transfer it into my baking foil. So silky. That looks really good and that is a good sign. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. My oven doesn't have exactly 180, but this is fine. And then top and bottom burner. And yeah, just turn that on. I'm going to be using these foil plates to bake them because it's easier for me to take out and eat when we want to snack on something in the house. Right, so let's pour that into the foil. Just going to try to get it as even as possible. I'll just switch that and do 4. It's way too small. People are going to be angry with me. Bang this to help it spread out evenly and remove all the bubbles. Alright, so I'm going to place the cakes in the oven now. So just slide it gently in. Please wear your gloves for this. Don't take risks like me. I've burnt my skin several times doing this, but I will never learn, will I? And set that to 20 minutes, 25. Our cakes are ready. So what I'm doing is taking it out and covering it up immediately to seal in the moisture so that it doesn't dry out too fast or anything like that, leaving it nice and soft and moist. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Please do not forget to subscribe so that you can see more videos like this one. Please share this recipe so more people can learn this red velvet cake. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.